it's time. Today is the day. The car is finished. My 2018 WRX molded wide body. Custom decals, they're doing a massive reveal today. So we're gonna head there now, and it has a new wrap as well. So this is gonna be the reveal video.
Okay, so we just got to custom decals now. We're meeting up with our friends Becca and Pelman to get their reactions and see what they think.
Aaron's gonna go in first.
Okay, so I just got to see the car for the first time. Literally looks amazing. We're gonna have Becca and Pelman see the car first and then Adam see it after that and get their reactions on the car.
Wow. It's so bright.
Not as bright as the orange. I'm good right now.
Keep going. Close your eyes. Okay. Are you ready? Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, open!
All right, the car is done. Avery gloss light blue. And as you know, we put it on the carbon fenders. So we got carbon peeking out all over the car. On the hood, kept the mirror caps. We got the trunk. We left this carbon and this, and adds a nice touch in the back. It breaks it up. Obviously, it's absolutely seamless. You cannot tell whatsoever. We still have to put the bags on, so we still look pretty high right now. We're not actually that high, but with the new wheels, looks high. So bags have to go on soon, and yeah, we just got the vents everywhere. So these are the boys that made all this happen. Minus Shamar, who couldn't be here right now. Shamar is the one who wrapped the car. Ryan and Sean, they own the business, and we made that all happen. Nick spent countless hours doing the molded wide body to make it perfect, and went above and beyond. Custom fender liners, everything. So these are the boys in Calgary. If you're anywhere near Alberta, it's worth the trip. Just do it, trust me.
Listen, make sure to check out this YouTube video for the finished product.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Hope you guys loved that reveal video. It's been long overdue. The car is done and I couldn't be happier. One thing that I didn't mention is we will be doing a carbon giveaway. It'll be a gas door cover and door handles for the 2015 Plus WRX and STI. Those details will be over on Instagram.
Do you like it? Oh, I guess not.